Welcome to my channel Meditation and Prayer. Asana, the sitting position for meditation. Yoga first originated in India. In the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali describes asana as the third of the eight limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. Asanas are the physical movements of yoga practice and, in combination with pranayama or breathing techniques, constitute the style of yoga referred to as Hatha Yoga. In the Yoga Sutra, Patanjali describes asana as a firm, comfortable posture, referring particularly to the seated posture, most basic of all the asanas. He further suggests that meditation is the path to samadhi, transpersonal self-realization. In the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali suggests that the only necessity for practicing asana is that it should be steady and comfortable. The body is held poised with the practitioner experiencing no discomfort. My name is Vikram Singh Basati. In this video, I am going to explain the topic asana more clearly in simple words. I hope the result will meet your expectations. To benefit yourself fully, watch this video to the end. If you like my video, press like button. It motivates me a lot. Subscribe to my channel and keep yourself in touch with me so that you get notification of subsequent videos in time without any delay. In this channel, I shed light on the nuances of meditation and prayer. Asana is sitting posture. Asana is a particular form of gymnastic which makes the body flexible, sound, and steady. While performing asana, you have to concentrate on your body. Asana or yoga asanas are conducive for meditation and spiritual attainment. Asana is the practice of body postures. Asana is a body position normally coupled with the practice of yoga, formerly known as a mastery of sitting still, with the spine as a channel of biodynamic union. In the context of yoga practice, asana refers to two things: the place where a practitioner sits and the manner, posture, in which he or she sits. There are two important poses fit for the practice of meditation: Thunderbolt pose and Lotus pose. Let us first discuss Thunderbolt pose. Thunderbolt pose. This is the asana for meditation. One can sit comfortably for a prolonged period in this asana. Those who sit in this asana have a steady, firm pose. They cannot be easily shaken. Fold the left leg in the knee and place the toe on the floor. Fold the right leg in the knee and place the toe on the floor and join both toes. Keep both knees together on the ground and support the body with your palms. Sit on the pit formed by the parted heels. Place the palms on the thighs. It is important to keep the spine, the neck, and the head upright in a straight line in this asana. Keep the eyes fixed at the level of the height. Don't have any pressure on the hands. The whole weight of the body is set on the spine. Continue smooth breathing when the final position is attained. While releasing, remove your palms from your thighs and place them on the ground in front. Take out the left leg and straighten it. In the same way, take out the right leg and straighten it. After a little practice, this asana can be maintained for a longer time. In the daily routine, it should be kept for at least 5 minutes to experience good results. With more practice, it can be kept for nearly 3 hours at a stretch. It mainly benefits the digestive system and keeps the backbone in right posture. Along with the body, the mind also gets stabilized in this asana. Hence, it is preferred for meditation and concentration. This asana is also found to be good for the practice of pranayama. The special fold of the legs forms one bandha in this asana. Consequently, the blood circulation in the waist downward parts is controlled. If you sit in this asana for about half an hour immediately after food, the food will be digested well. The nerves and muscles of the legs and thighs are strengthened. Back trouble vanishes. The stomach works vigorously. In yogic philosophy, it is said that the practice of thunderbolt pose exercises a stimulating beneficial influence on kanda, the most vital part, and which is situated 12 inches above the anus and from which 72,000 nadis spring. Lotus pose. Now we are going to discuss another important, most widely practiced pose for meditation, namely lotus pose. This is the asana for meditation. Those who sit contentedly for a long time in this asana have a balanced, firm pose and cannot be simply shaken. Keep the right foot on the left thigh and the left foot on the right thigh with the soles upward, and place the hands on the thighs with the palms upwards. This is called the lotus pose, the destroyer of all diseases. It is difficult to attain by everybody, but can be learnt by intelligent people in this world. Having kept both hands together in the lap, performing the Padmasana firmly, keeping the chin fixed to the chest, and contemplating God in the mind by drawing the Apana Vayu up, performing Mula Bandha, and pushing down the air after inhaling it. Thus, joining the prana and apana in the navel, one gets the highest intelligence by awakening the Kundalini. While releasing, remove the palms from the thighs and bring them to the sides. Take out and straighten both legs. Take the sitting position. After a little practice, this asana can be maintained for a longer time. With more practice, it can be kept for 3 hours. This posture is called the posture of meditation and it is ideally suited for contemplation. The mind gets stabilized in this asana, hence, it is preferred for meditation and concentration. This asana is also found to be good for pranayama. The nerves and muscles of the legs and thighs are strengthened. Back trouble vanishes. The practitioner feels pleasure in making efforts for awakening his consciousness by restraining the motion of the body. Motion of mind begins where motion of the body comes to an end. He is able to visualize the far end of physical limitations and also the starting point of knowing the speed of consciousness. Even from a general point of view, it can be readily understood that a practice of lotus posture causes firmness in various activities or states of the body. The whole process of Kriya Yoga is usually practiced in lotus posture, that is, legs intertwined with feet resting upon opposite thighs and spine erect. And the practitioner who variously experiences physical firmness can experience the pleasure of complete stillness. To improve your meditation skills, read and recommend Basati's meditation ebooks. These ebooks cover almost all aspects of meditation and prayer comprehensively. In these ebooks, the secrets of meditation and prayer are revealed through exposure to both theoretical and practical aspects. Rest assured that you will get your money's worth many times over by equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge from these ebooks. When you have these ebooks, you don't have to wander in search of knowledge. So, try these precious ebooks at the first opportunity. Hurry up, avail 40% discount. Find the link in description. Now we are going to discuss the advantages of asana for meditation. The practice of asana has widespread benefits. Of these, the most fundamental are improved health, strength, balance, and flexibility. Originally, the asana served as firm postures for lengthened meditation. More than just stretching, asana opens the energy channels, chakras, and psychic centers of the body. Asana purifies and makes the body stronger and controls and focuses the mind. Asana should be steady and comfortable, firm yet relaxed. The physicality of the yoga postures becomes a vehicle to enlarge the consciousness and pervades every aspect of our body. As a person practices asana, it fosters a quieting of the mind. Thus, it becomes groundwork for meditation. Asana later became a term for various postures useful for restoring and sustaining a practitioner's well being and improving the body's flexibility and vitality, with the goal to promote the ability to remain in seated meditation for extended periods. Using asana to open the physical body acts as a binding agent to bring one in harmony with all the invisible elements of their being. the forces that form our lives through our responses to the physical world. Asana becomes a mode of exploring our mental attitudes and strengthening our will as we learn to liberate and move into the state of grace that comes from creating balance between our material world and spiritual experience, releasing to the flow and inner strength that one develops brings about a profound grounding spirituality in the body. Physically, the practice of asana is considered to improve flexibility, strength, balance, diabetes management, physical health, and quality of life measures in the elderly. It reduces symptoms of lower back pain, hypertension, sleep disturbances, stress, and anxiety. It increases energy and decreases fatigue. It shortens labor and improves birth outcomes. The emphasis on the physical benefits of yoga attributed to the practice of the asanas has de-emphasized the other traditional purposes of yoga, which are to facilitate the flow of vital energy prana and to aid in balancing the sheaths koshas of the physical and metaphysical body. I hope this video meets your expectations and adds to your knowledge and practice. Rest assured, you will always be gaining from my videos. Like my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do it now. Now, like and subscribe to meditation and prayer. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching this video.